Hi everyone, I'm Estefania, the Marketing Coordinator at AllTheRooms. Welcome to our Historical Analysis tool. With this tool, you can analyze the past performance of the key short-term rental metrics in your specified area, shows in a granularity ranging from yearly to daily. Getting started is easy. First, select the desired area you want to analyze, such as Los Angeles. Next, choose a specific date of interest. You have the option to select from our default timeframes or use the calendar to pinpoint the exact time frame you wish to analyze. Once you have chosen the area and time frame, it's time to select metrics you want to explore. Our powerful dashboard allows you to compare two metrics at the same time. For example, let's choose to compare average daily rate and nights book. Now you can visualize and analyze the data that matters to you. Don't forget to utilize the filtering options on the right side. These filters enable you to narrow down your analysis and gain more detailed insights by selecting the specific type of properties you want to focus on. Finally, you can also export the data as a CSV document. That concludes our video of the Older Rooms historical tool. I hope you found it helpful. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the future tab. See you in the next video.